Are you tired of feeling like your money has a mind of its own? Do you ever open your bank statement and wonder where half your paycheck vanished? In 2025, with so many financial commitments, from streaming subscriptions to rising cost of living, it's more crucial than ever to take control of your finances. And in this digital age, personal finance apps are our digital guardians, our budgeting gurus, and our savings sidekicks. They promise to simplify the complex world of money management, making it accessible, understandable, and even, dare I say, enjoyable. But with a sea of apps vying for your attention, each promising to be the ultimate solution, how do you choose the right one? You've got your old guard like Mint, which, despite its long history, recently shut down, leaving millions searching for alternatives. Then there are the hardcore budgeters, the zero-based fanatics who swear by an app. And of course, the investment-focused platforms that help you grow your wealth. It's a crowded marketplace, and cutting through the noise to find the app that truly aligns with your financial philosophy and goals can feel like a full-time job in itself. That's where Rocket Money comes in. Formerly known as Truebill, Rocket Money has quickly ascended the ranks, positioning itself as a strong contender in the personal finance space. It's built a reputation on its ability to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and provide a clear overview of your spending. But is it truly the best personal finance app in 2025? Or is it just another pretty interface with limited functionality? Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Money, exploring its features, pros, cons, and comparing it to some of the other leading apps out there to help you decide if it's the right financial co-pilot for you. Let's break down what Rocket Money brings to the table. At its core, Rocket Money aims to automate the tedious aspects of financial management, helping you save money without even realizing it. One of its most lauded features, and honestly, a significant draw for many users, is its subscription management and cancellation service. In a world where we're constantly signing up for new streaming services, fitness apps, and online memberships, it's incredibly easy to lose track of what you're paying for. Rocket Money's algorithm scans your linked accounts, identifies recurring subscriptions, and presents them in a clear, actionable list. But it doesn't stop there. For premium users, Rocket Money offers a concierge service that will actually cancel those unwanted subscriptions on your behalf. Think about how many times you've intended to cancel that gym membership you never use or that free trial you forgot about. Rocket Money takes that chore off your plate, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars a year. This feature alone can be a game-changer for many, turning forgotten expenses into reclaimed funds. Beyond subscriptions, Rocket Money also boasts a powerful bill negotiation service. Imagine this: your internet bill has been creeping up, and you just don't have the time or energy to sit on hold with customer service. Rocket Money's team can step in and negotiate with your service providers, think internet, cable, phone bills, to try and secure you a lower rate. They operate on a success fee model, typically taking a percentage of the savings they achieve for you in the first year. While some might balk at the fee, the convenience and potential for significant savings make it an attractive option, especially for those who dread haggling. They also look for potential refunds on bank fees and outages, again, money you might not even realize you're owed. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter of any personal finance app: budgeting and spending insights. Rocket Money provides a clear, intuitive dashboard where you can link all your financial accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, even investments. This gives you a holistic view of your financial landscape. It automatically categorizes your transactions, helping you see exactly where your money is going. You can set up custom budgets for different spending categories and receive alerts if you're approaching or exceeding your limits. This real-time tracking is crucial for staying on top of your spending and making informed decisions. The app also provides personalized spending insights, highlighting trends and areas where you might be able to cut back. For those who want to understand their financial habits without getting bogged down in complex spreadsheets, Rocket Money offers a clean and digestible approach. Another valuable feature, particularly for those looking to improve their financial standing, is credit score tracking. Rocket Money allows you to monitor your Experian credit score, access your full credit report and history, and receive alerts about significant changes. This empowers you to stay informed about your credit health and take proactive steps to improve it, which is vital for everything from securing loans to getting favorable interest rates. And for those with bigger financial goals, Rocket Money offers an automated savings plan. You can set specific savings goals, whether it's for a down payment on a house, a new car, or just building an emergency fund. The app learns your spending habits and automatically transfers small, manageable amounts from your linked checking account into an FDIC-insured savings account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach to saving can be incredibly effective, especially for those who struggle with consistently putting money aside. It removes the friction and mental effort of manual transfers, helping you build your nest egg almost effortlessly. So, what about the cost? Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. The free version offers basic features like subscription tracking, spending insights, and credit score viewing. However, to unlock the true power of Rocket Money, the bill negotiation, subscription cancellation concierge, unlimited custom budget categories, real-time account updates, and automated savings plan, you'll need a premium subscription. What's interesting about their premium pricing is their pay-what-you-want model, ranging from $6 to $12 per month. This flexibility is a nice touch, allowing users to choose a price point that feels fair for the value they receive. While it's not entirely free, the potential savings from their bill negotiation and subscription cancellation services can often far outweigh the monthly subscription cost, making it a worthwhile investment for many. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How does Rocket Money stack up against its competitors in 2025? Rocket Money versus Mint, and its absence for years. Mint was the undisputed king of personal finance apps, largely due to its comprehensive free features. However, as of early 2024, Mint has shut down, leaving a significant void. Rocket Money has actively positioned itself as a strong alternative, and in many ways, it surpasses what Mint offered, especially with its proactive features like bill negotiation and subscription cancellation. While Mint provided a great overview of your finances, it lacked the hands-on assistance that Rocket Money now offers. If you are a loyal Mint user, Rocket Money is definitely a top contender for your new financial home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.